Hello everyone. Hi you all. So today is 21st February 2026. It's my day 4 of working of the journey of fat loss. So I hope you all are good. And now I, as you all of know, I started walking 10 kilometers per day at the morning 5 a.m. So I must welcome you all to get up in the morning and start walking with me. So let's see how it is going on. So this is my belly fat, as you can see. Now the process, in this process, I am a very foodie person. Okay, so I want to eat chicken and other days some things like chips. Okay, and all that nonsense things. But I must tell you, if you start working or in the journey of fat loss, so you just have to ignore all the things, so that the process will be speed up and you get ultimate result. So okay, as last night I just eat some cold drinks as well as some chips. So this I have to regret now why I eat those things. Okay, so it's okay, it's part of journey, because before start working I used to have eat many of the things which are non-eatable in the process of fat loss. But yeah, I can eat, and that's why I decide at the evening I have to exercise for the jumping jump etc for the loss of belly fats. Okay, this is my fitness journey. Okay, now as you all of know, I am a teacher. So my last work life in that way, I got shortlisted for the interview of the some swimming school in my state. So the basic salary of that school is 75,000, but this is a contractual post, so I have to work year for that. But I think I don't want to go that school, because if I join that school, then it will be difficult. After 1 year, we have to search another school, another good school which will pay me in that way of money. So I just think that I don't go to that school. And another thing, I also selected for another interview process of a very good school in my Navar district. So yeah, on Monday I have to go to that school and sitting on the process of selection, and I hope it will be good for me, and I am definitely be selected in that process. And I think this is good for me, because uh, this is the distance of the school, nearly 30 kilometers from my home place or from my home. So I definitely joined that school, and I am living the present school. Not now necessarily, but in few days. This school gives me very much things like uh, things how don't react in any situation created by your surrounding peoples or your coordinators or something. I am a silent person. I don't talk much in our members of the staff room. We have a separate common room for the 11-12 students. So we don't talk with other teachers as much. We have always consult with our faculty members of 11-12. So it is good to not in contact of other teachers. They will misguide you, because they are the senior most faculty member in the sense of yours, because they are still in this school before 10 years and after 10 years also. Okay, so yeah, this is the situation of our school. And what I do, yes, definitely there will be some more government vacancies there. So I am definitely go to fill the form of the government schools as well, because government is the most priority for all the students. Okay, and what I say, I don't know. There is no such words in my mind to tell you people. And let's see how the content creation going on. And let's see, I don't want to speak in any other language because I have less confident in other language, so I decided to talk in English language, which is good, I think, because everyone should know how to speak in English, because Hindi was the language which is universal in India, but I think English is good enough for all the world. Hindi is spoken by all Indian language, Indian state, but English is the global language, so everybody should understand that language. And yes, definitely, this is the front view. This is the back view, the point of view. Okay, for today, it's enough. Thank you, everyone.